Shoe fans will probably already know what's in it. Let's do some tracing. 3, 5, 0. So the shoes are called Yeezy Boost 350. And I got these are replicas. And I will put all the information in the description down below, so you can buy it yourself. They're not very expensive. Normally these shoes cost, I think it's about $400, but I also saw some for $2,000. But so they sell replicas and they cost only, I think this one was 150, 160, and they actually look the same. I will test them out later in this video. Let's open it. These are my new shoes. I like black shoes. There you go. There's some paper in it to protect it. That's a good sound. So let's look at the shoes. I really like those. I've never had Yeezy. I don't know how to pronounce it. Never had that one before. I already told you I like black sport shoes. I think these ones are really good. They look very clean. I will bring them closer to the camera so that you can see it yourself. That sound is also very good. So the sneaker club has a lot of shoes to choose from, not only like these kind of shoes, but also Jordans. I think they have like more than 100 shoes that you can choose from. So yeah, let's just try them out now. These shoes feel fantastic and they are very comfortable. I walked for a bit, even down the stairs, and everything was perfect, so I'm very happy with these shoes. So thanks Sneaker Club for sponsoring this video. Let's start with the triggers now. Okay, so that was my second sponsorship on my channel. But let's turn the lights to blue now and let's begin with the triggers. Let's just take this as the first trigger. I'm gonna wear those shoes a lot. Blue. finish, and then we can put the hearts in here, and then she glues the someone will work there. Oh, why is there this thing on it? What the heck? That's weird. That's my bad. Let's just throw it over there. Oops. Okay, and next trigger. It's also a long time ago that I used this one. It's a candle. Special candle for the people that don't know. Okay, and then you have to hear carefully. Got this for my brother for Christmas last year. Also, the company that sent me those shoes ship from all over the world. If you're in Mexico, Argentina, Ecuador, or in Europe, then you can order it. So yeah, that's the candle. Maybe let's put it here, so you can still hear it a little bit. And let's take another trigger. The brushes. So with the brushes and the candle, maybe it makes a good sound. You can fall asleep better. And with some mouth sounds, so 3 triggers in one. If you can't fall asleep, then I don't know. My earbud is falling off. Fast moves out. Stipple, 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 stipple. Stipple, 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 stipple. Stipple, 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 stipple.